Hi friends, I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, and trust me when I'm saying this, more than you, I was regretting it. Well, I know all of you have been waiting eagerly for the Independence Day artwork, and recently I've started one, so I'm sharing it here. Since Independence Day is all about tricolor, saffron, white, and green, and lotus is our national flower, so why not take that as a theme? See, instead of painting the lotuses as typical pink and white in tone, I wanted to convert them into a tricolor theme. So as I could not use them directly as starch, orange and stark green, so I wanted to color them a bit. So here you can see in the picture that using the family of orange and a family of green, that is the shades of green and the shades of orange, I've started coloring the lotuses. A bit by bit, just following my heart, I started coloring this. Here you can see a bit brief artwork that I have started coloring here. It's not complete. When I thought of coloring this whole artwork, I thought these maybe a sticker kind. I'll convert this artwork into a sticker, that is, I'll cut them into as a cutout and layer them on a golden sheet. I'll use them upside at the bottom of the bulletin board and exactly on the top of it as well. So that is the reason I have pasted blue color only in the center of the bulletin board. Since the borders has to be cliched like tricolored, so I've pasted strips only. When I started working this, it did not work out because the space inside the bulletin board was too small, and they were overlapping each other. There wasn't much space for me to write the Happy Independence Day. So as you work along, there are so many changes that you induce. Likewise, I did the same. So instead of putting the same artwork on the top as well, upside down, I simply pasted Happy Independence Day. And to color and to do something in the background, I have cut saffron and green color ka small leaf kind pattern and pasted it as it is. So this is the complete artwork you can see here. Still, I feel I can still add a little here and there, though it is from my end, it is 95% complete. I will add some cutouts of lotuses here and there and maybe change the DP. Well, from my end, this is what I have done on the Independence Day. And if you like this artwork, give your feedback. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless. Also wishing you all Happy Independence Day. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.